built to protect. High-quality materials combined with mechanical precision. Made for the hardest conditions. And now in an ultra-compact design. Depending on the requirement, we equip our visual cameras with high-quality borosilicate lenses or germanium glass lenses for thermal applications. Our cameras constantly deliver superb, high-definition picture quality. SAMCON cameras are always safe. It's impossible for ignitable sparks to escape as we fulfill European and international regulation requirements for hazardous areas. The modular cameras consist of a sensor unit and a main unit, which can be placed in either hazardous or safe areas. Multiple units can be streamed simultaneously and are very easy to integrate into your video management systems. We're happy to help you, as we've already helped many customers around the world. SAMCON, built to protect, made ultra compact. samcon.eu